It's gonna be an early day today. Welcome to Miami. Let's go take a look at that intercoastal view here. See what that $1 million view is all about, right?
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Oh yeah. You like to fish or look at the water? Beach is right around the corner there. Deep water access, intercoastal access. This place has all the goodies, all the bells and whistles.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
So we're at our South Beach project today. This will be the first time we're actually doing any. So we're at our South Beach project today. This is going to be the first time we're actually doing any work here. We brought our template of the open step that we're going to be wrapping the European oak around. So we've made a rough template, and we're going to see how it fits around it. Yep. This is our template. We left it open in the back so we can sandwich the floor supports, or the stair support in here, cut it around there and notch it in, and those are the back panels. This is the high-end Italian floor that she purchased for the project that we're trying to duplicate with our unfinished flooring that we're using on the steps. So it should be interesting. The fun finally starts. Let's see what kind of mess we have in here today. Other people are supposed to be working here, some of the other trades, so we can't work here yet. But we don't know what to expect sometimes when there's other trades working here. I come into jobs sometimes and you can't even see the floor. We still have a few items up in the air here, whether or not we're going to use soundproofing, a ProFlex membrane, sound membrane product on all of the floors. She hasn't given me a clarification yet, so we'll decide on that hopefully today. Here's the standard steps, all concrete of course. No fun. This is our kitchen level with family room, and here are our open steps. The builder attempted to close them off. This is what they're supposed to look like. The builder attempted to close them off so they would pass code. All this is coming off. This is an example of the staircase in the model next door. This is what the builder supplies. They don't go all the way around. They don't cover the bottom. And you have metal sticking out. Alright. So, with any luck, our template will wrap around here, and we'll have to notch it around this post and to fit on the back, around the back post, the two pieces, so it should be a lot of fun. Here's where the fun starts, to see how the step I made fits in here. Judgment hour here. What'd you say? Now we get to find if it fits. Alright, well I knew it was going to hit the bottom. That's where that post is. I'm not gonna lie, I am really excited. I'm so glad that that fit. That would have sucked to come all the way down here and have to rip that tread apart to make it fit. So, I'm not gonna say we lucked out because I know it's skill. Put a lot of work into it. Double and triple checked my measurements, but it did work out, and that's what I'm happy about. There is our new tread, our rough, very rough template for our Miami Beach open staircase. We're gonna build around the metal piece that they left us there, very rough piece of metal with a really thick back on it. This will encompass it. Then it has a bottom mount, so we will cut around this. The mount will go in, and then we'll put the last two pieces, bam, on the other side of the circular piece and completely enclose it. Has to go on in 3 pieces in order to go around the brackets. gonna get our hands dirty now. So let's look from below. Oh, this is gonna be fun. I don't know how we're gonna... First of all, we gotta get it centered. I guess, I would say we do it like where it's the easiest way is to keep it tight on this side. I think that makes the most sense, rather than trying to center it on every one.
Okay.
That looks pretty even, the space there and here. The further we keep it away from that wall, the less likely it is to show if that wall's off.
Yeah.
Think so?
Yeah.
I think so. Oh, that is so beautiful, Hunter. Like a glove. I even got the curve right. It could be a little bit tighter, honestly, but leave it like that for now. I'd rather have a little bit because we're making templates, you know? Wow. We got it on. We got it on. We got the back cut in. It was a challenge. Let's take a look at it. We got it cut around nice and tight. That's the view from below. It's nice and tight, notched around all the poles. Looks good. There's no AC in this place. I am sweating hot. Welcome to Miami. This is the floor we're trying to match up. We're gonna do a little unveiling of it here, cut it open and see what it's all about. We have to take one with us. There's gotta be shorts in here, they're not all gonna be long. We have to, this is what we're using, and this was the reason we came here today. This is how we can match our stain, or just our finish, whatever we're doing. Wow, these are some big planks. They're nice. Yeah, Hunter, I think just finished. Look how light that looks. You better get the saw back out. Unless there's a short one in here. Can you find a short one in here? We're gonna have to cut one in half otherwise and take the whole thing with us. But hey, is that good or bad for installation?
That's good and bad.
Yeah, I know. It's good in the big rooms, bad around the doors. Pretty. It's a nice looking board. Pretty consistent though from colors, I think.
I think this is the darkest. It's consistent, there's nothing.
So let us take half of this board.
You want to cut that one now?
This is nice. Well, we've got a lot more colors in it than this, don't you think?
We're not gonna make the stain look like that color.
No, but we'll see if it picks up those colors. So take half of this and half of this.
You're not cutting that board now.
All right, well, there'll be more. Like, all right, then see what else is in here.
Just take this board.
All right, hang on. That's what you're saying is too nice to cut in half?
Yeah.
It is a pretty board.
Put the nicest board in.
It is the nicest board in the box.
Why are we doing?
Match our stain.
Oh, there's not enough time.
Well, we're gonna make sure. I don't want to be no surprises. Hey,
What?
nice looking wood.
Is it?
Yeah, beautiful.
You like it?
I love it.
Oh, well, that's a nice thing.
They're all big planks.
Yeah, I paid extra for that.
It's
How
good
are
in
you?
the big
I'm
room.
so sorry, I forget your name.
Hunter.
Hunter. I gotta remember.
Tristan and Hunter.
Tristan, I know, they're really unique names. I like the names. Do you like your name?
Yeah.
I like Hunter.
I
That's
did
a
good.
name. You did good.
Let's go take a look.
Yeah. All right, I'm
You
excited.
can't walk on it because it's only nailed in half on the front.
Okay, I won't. Oh, it is pretty, isn't it?
This is a nice board. Look at this one.
Wow, it's really pretty.
I said, Hunter, take a piece of this with us. He goes, that's too pretty. I can't. That's one of the nicest boards. He didn't want to. He's like, we got to save that one for the middle of someplace nice.
All right, so I can't wait to see this board. Wow, pretty.
right? Now it's very rough. It hasn't been sanded, it hasn't been stained.
I know, I see all the
The
things.
edges are gonna be rounded and, not rounded, but you know, not
Just a
sharp.
little,
Yeah.
right, yeah, no, it looks really good. Is that, so how does it match up to the other wood?
Oh, it's gonna be perfect.
You think?
Oh, I think it's a green. We got it here. I mean, I told you.
Oh, yeah, it's really nice.
We got it in. Took a little more work than I expected because there's no step stool and we had to hang from below and above. But it's hot, but it looks hot and we're done. Ready to pack up and hit the road before we hit rush hour traffic, heading back to the Palm Beach. I'm gonna hit that AC in the car because there ain't nothing in that house. Whew. Man, welcome to Miami. It is hot, it looks hot. Beautiful places, beautiful view, beautiful people. I wouldn't want to live here though. I like my Palm Beach. Don't like the congestion and traffic. It's gonna be an early day today.
So if you're new to the channel, be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and stairs. Plus, we do my favorite product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and I put them head to head. I put laminate up against vinyl. I run them over, I dunk them, I submerge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content.